Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and okay, allow. And now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to open the settings, and to do that simply swipe your finger from the top to the center or simply tap on this arrow here. And now let's localize the timer with this hourglass icon. So let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got 4 different options. So off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. However, after getting back to the camera, we do not have any kind of information, any kind of icon that it will show us that we've got the timer set. So it could be a surprise for us. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, if you wish to turn off the timer, simply unroll the option and then tap on the timer. Tap on the crossed out icon. Now the timer is turned off, so we can simply tap on the shutter button and your device will take photos right after tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.